Good morning, students. Some students were complaining that the chapter hack driver I could not understand. So once again, I am telling you the theme of the story and short summary of the story. Now first I'll discuss the theme of the story. The narrator of this story is a junior assistant clerk in a law company. He used to prepare the legal brief and serve summons in the law firm company. He had to go to the dirty corners of the city to serve summons to the victims or to the criminals. Sometimes he was beaten up by the strong persons. Once he had to go to a New Million village to serve a summon to a man named Oliver Lutkins. He reached there with great hardship. There he found a man of about 40 years old. He was very friendly. The narrator asked him about Mr. Oliver Lutkin. The narrator asked him about Oliver Lutkin to that hack driver. He replied that he had seen Lutkins an hour ago. उसने बताया कि 1 घंटे पहले उसने उसको देखा है. The streets of the village were full of mud. So the narrator hired the hack from him to search Lutkins in $2 an hour. There was a bargaining was set between the hack driver and the liar. He will charge $2 per hour. The hack driver told him that his name was Bill Magnuson. Then Bill took him to Fritz's shop. Who is Fritz? Fritz is a man in the New Million village, and hack driver told him that Oliver Lutkin had gone to play poker game. Poker game means a gambling game to the Fritz shop. And then they went to the Gustav's shop, Gustav Barber shop. And the owner of the Gustav Barber shop was Swede. Then they went to the Grage Barber shop. And at last they went to the pool room. These are the places in the village where the hack driver and the liar went to find out Oliver Lutkin. But they did not find out Oliver Lutkin. One by one, but they could not find him. At last they ate meal. They ate food. After this, one of the Lutkin's friends informed them that Lutkin had gone to his mother's farm. They were welcomed there by a large woman with an iron of an old stove. The mother of Oliver Lutkin was terror. She was 9 feet tall, 4 feet wide, and she got angry over the lawyer and the hack driver, and she took out an hot iron rod from the stove and chased both of them. At last, narrator returned his office. Next day, his boss rebuked him. Rebuked means scolded him badly and sent him back with another boy, another guy who knew Lutkins very well. The lad did not know Lutkins well. But next day, when he came again to New Million village, another man came with him. He knew Lutkins well. Now the man told him that the Bill himself was Oliver Lutkin. When next day he reached to the New Million station, then he found that the hack driver was himself Oliver Lutkin, and he made him fool. He made him fool by helping him to find out Oliver Lutkin. Law firm and its junior assistant clerk. There was a law firm, law company, and it had a junior assistant clerk. He is the narrator. Narrator of this story. After his graduation, he became a junior assistant clerk in this company. He had to serve some months in the company. Sometimes he was beaten up. He had to go to dirty streets in the city. He was not happy with his work. A summon for Oliver Lutkins. Once the narrator went to New Million Village to serve a summon to Oliver Lutkin. He reached there by train. Its streets were full of mud. At the station, he met a delivery man, a hack driver, about 40 years old. He behaved very friendly. When the narrator asked him that he had to meet Oliver Lutkins to serve a summon, he replied that he had seen Oliver Lutkins about an hour ago. The man offered his help to search Lutkins. After bargaining means small toll, the narrator hired hack driver, a hack, from the man, as it was impossible to walk on foot in the streets because the streets were full of mud. Began to search Oliver Lutkins. Now they started searching Oliver Lutkins, the hack driver and the lawyer. The man told the narrator, the man means here hack driver told the lawyer that he had to take money from Lutkins. First they went to fridge shop and he offered that he would ask him on his behalf. The hack driver told to the lawyer that he will hide behind his back and hack driver will go to the shop of fridge and there he will ask about Oliver Lutkin. Otherwise Oliver Lutkin will run away seeing you in such a fancy cloth because he had borrowed money from many people. Narrator believed him and the man told him that his name was Bill or Magnuson. Fritz replied that Lutkin had been there a little while ago. He perhaps had gone to Gustav for shaving. Then they went to the Gustav barber shop and Bill asked Gustav about Lutkins. Gustav informed him that he had seen Lutkins walking down the main street. Now Bill told that perhaps Lutkins had gone to Gray's shop for shaving. At Gray's shop they were told that Lutkins were there only a few minutes ago. He might have gone for pool room. Now they chased him there but could not find him. Lunch at Waits Hill and their conversation. Now it was lunchtime. They were hungry. Bill told him that his wife would give him lunch only for $50. Then they went to a Waits Hill, that was a hill area in the village, and took their lunch and they talked about many things. Bill informed him everything about New Million Village. They reached Lutkin's mother. Now Bill told narrator that Lutkins might be found with his mother, but his mother was very dangerous lady. They reached Lutkin's mother and told her why the narrator wanted to see Lutkins. Hearing this, She went into kitchen and came out with an iron rod of an old stove, and they ran away from there. The narrator came back. Now it was time to catch the afternoon train. The narrator means liar came back. Bill drove the narrator to the station. Next day, Chief became very angry and rebuked him. He sent him back with a man who knew Oliver Lutkin well. When they reached New Million, the narrator saw Bill and Lutkin's mother, and he pointed towards Bill and informed that he had helped him to search the Lutkins. At this, the man told him that the man himself was Oliver Lutkins. Narrator served summon on Lutkins, and Lutkins and his mother laughed at him as if he were a boy of 7.